Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the system, then discharge residual power so you don't fry components. Once done, attach a grounded wrist strap and set the case on a non-conductive surface. You want direct access to the M2 area. Remove nearby cables and PCIe cards if they obstruct the heatsink. Next, inspect the heatsink mounting. Look for screws, clips, or adhesive tabs. Now carefully unscrew any visible fasteners. Keep screws organized so you can reverse the process later. You continue by loosening screws in a balanced sequence so you don't stress the drive. A single screw left tight can bend the board. Once screws are out, locate retention clips and pry them up slowly. Use plastic picks to avoid scratches. If the heatsink uses adhesive or thermal tape, warm it with a hairdryer at low heat for 15–30 seconds to soften the bond. Then peel it away using steady, parallel motion. Make sure you support the SSD by the edges to prevent flexing or connector damage. You finish by cleaning old thermal material from the SSD and heatsink with high-purity isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Let it dry fully. Then decide. Reapply a matching thickness thermal pad or store the heatsink separately if you won't reuse it. Reassemble in reverse order, torque screws gently, and reconnect everything. If the drive isn't detected on first boot, reseat the SSD, verify the mounting screw is making contact, and confirm the thermal pad isn't lifting the module out of the slot. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.